Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So welcome back to my channel. I am Susie by name. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I sincerely appreciate you, my returning subscribers, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Kindly subscribe and like the video. It is free. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be taking you through a process on how I make organic skincare oil at home for glowing skin. Yes, most especially for those with dry skin, this oil is very good for you. It's highly recommended. I'm also going to be highlighting some of the benefits of palm kernel oil nut. So this is the nut that I'm breaking. I use the fruit. I bought it as a fruit, palm kernel fruit. I boil it, juice it out and use to make soup. Then the nut, I dry it separately, and then the chaff, I dry it separately. I use the chaff to light up the charcoal fire, and so it serves as fuel. Then the nut, I dry it and use it to extract oil. There's one other thing I'm going to be adding to the oil, so kindly watch to the end to understand the video very well. So here are some of the benefits of palm kernel oil. So palm kernel oil is very good for skin and for hair due to its moisturizing properties. It contains fatty acid that promotes healthy skin and hair growth, as well as providing potential antioxidant protection from UV rays. It also helps to heal wound healing. It supports skin regeneration and healing. It is also used to treat children with high fever and convulsion. It is used to treat abdominal pain in children as well as treat skin rashes. All you need to do, just apply it to the baby skin. Apply it on the baby skin. Yes, like it helps to relieve fever and also for convulsion. Yes, it helps. And also it is also good for cold. Like if you're having cold, even as an adult, all you need to do, just a drop on your mouth, and again apply some on your nose area. Yes, like even for children with nose congestion, you can put a drop on into their nostril. It will help the mucus to come out easily. Yes, so after breaking it, I want to dry it. I want to leave it under the sun for it to dry. At least the weather is sunny, so I'll leave it to dry all throughout the day. Then tomorrow I'll fry it to extract the oil. So after drying it, I'm going to be frying it right now. I've set my fire, and my fire is ready. So let me go and use I'm going to be using frying pan since I don't have a local pot here to use. So the frying pan is hot. I'm going to be turning it inside. Yes, of course. So here is my spatula. I'm going to be stirring it from time to time. As it keeps burning, the oil will be coming out. Like this, you can eat it. It's healthy. It's a very healthy nut. It is done. I want to turn it inside here. Since I don't have iron filter, so there's a way I will filter it gently. I've done it. This is the oil, and this is the shaft there. So I'm going to discard that one because it's charcoal. So like this now. Oh, it's hot. So like this, I'm going to be drying it till it becomes very light, so the oil will not be black again. So let's dry it and see the outcome. We'll dry it under the sun. We'll keep it under the sun for it to dry, to become very light. So after drying it for days, like 7 days, this is the outcome. So let me turn it in a very transparent container so you can see it well. So this is the oil. I'll turn it inside a glass cup so you can see it well. You see the color. So as it's dry like this, it doesn't have any smell at all. Yes. So doing it yourself, you are sure of what you are using on your skin and your baby skin as well. Yes. So, but if you are buying it in the market, they usually use to mix it. This one do to waste it. Yes, I've bought it before and I didn't enjoy using it. So this is our baby tree butter. I used to add it to the cream too. Yes, you can see it's for diaper rash, heat rash, and other skin irritation. Yes, so I need to do is just to put some quantity inside to mix it together. Now, I normally used to turn it. You can see it is the previous ones that we use. Yeah, so I'm going to be turning it inside here and mix it with the baby tree butter as well. So I turn some inside here. I'm not going to turn everything inside, is bit by bit. I used to turn it because my daughter used to make use of it, so sometimes if she open it, if she's not careful, sometimes it used to pour. So to avoid it pouring all at once, I used to put it bit by bit. Yeah, so you can see I'm putting some inside. Yes, drop inside, you can see it. This one is mainly for my son because my daughter have passed the age of using this baby tree butter. Yes, but she used to use it. So but this time around I'm going to turn this one for her to use because she has passed the age of using baby tree butter. Yes, so let me cover it and shake it together to mix. So I shook it, I've mixed it together, you can see. So this is what my son will be using. So I'm going to get another container like this. I have them many. I'll turn the rest. I'll turn some for my daughter to use. We also will be using. Yes, we sometimes we used to add it to our cream too. Yes, then I'll also turn the remaining one into another one for hair. We also use it as hair cream as well. It is very good for hair growth. So, and again, why you don't even need to mix, if you are using it for your kids, why you don't even need to mix it all together. You need to have some like this on ground in case of cold or cough. Even adults, all you need to do is just take a drop to your mouth and swallow it. It clears the throat. And also just a small drop into the nursery, it helps to bring out the mucor. Yes, most especially in children. So it is very good, not only for the kids but for also adults, also. Yes, so let me know what you feel about this oil from the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless you all.